Hi, Kevin, Thailand here. Well, today we're going to have a little chat to put you right, to give you the consequences. Consequences are big of not having a driving licence. I saw something very recently, and someone told that you do not need a driving licence in Thailand. You do. You don't need a driving licence to hire a bike. When you're pulled with no driving licence or crash helmet by the police, you will be fined 400 baht for no driving licence, and then you drive away. Fine, great. Consequences when you have an accident are huge. They are huge. If someone hits you or you hit them, if you do not have a driving licence, it's your fault. If you don't have a driving licence, your insurance is null and void. So, without that, you don't have that. All you end up with is that. That's what your insurance is worth. You will pay to repair the vehicle you damaged. You will pay to repair the bike you damaged. If you injured a person, whether it's their fault or not, you will pay their hospital fees, and you will not leave Thailand until everything is settled and paid. The police will hold your passport until all financial losses are paid. Everyone's reimbursed. If you don't have the money to pay, you can go to prison until the money is paid. So yes, you do need a driving licence in Thailand. They're easy to get if you have your English a motorbike licence on your English driving car licence. If you have the motorbike emblem on your English passport, even if it means it's only a 125 and you have to use an L plate on your motorbike in England, it doesn't matter. It still counts as a motorbike driving licence. All you will need to bring is the international licence from the UK that you'll get from the post office, the AA, the RAC, and that will cover your motorbike. It doesn't matter if you need a learner plate on it, it's got a motorbike on your licence, you're covered. If you come and don't have a motorbike licence, you're right, and believe me, this is 80% of people. But to say you don't need it, you don't need it until you have an accident. And even if it's not your fault, without a driving licence, you will have it. What was said was completely irresponsible. I got pulled up on the I got a ticket on the motorway. I was doing speeding, 129 kilometres an hour in a 120. 500 baht speeding fine. It's laughable. In the UK, I'd have got £150 fine. I'd have got 3 points on my licence. But what you have to remember in Thailand, the average wage of 300 or 400 baht a day, to be fined 400 baht for not wearing your crash helmet is a day's wages. They cannot two-tier that so it's extra for francs. So it's easy to drive a motorbike round without a licence and pay 400 baht. When you have an accident, Peter, a guy in Australia, had an accident on his motorbike. It cost him 80,000 baht and loss of his passport. He had to give his passport in at the police station. They hold your passport until the money is paid and everything is rectified. Had he hurt someone, he's paying for the hospital fees, he's paying for them, he's hurt them, they want compensation. You will have to pay, and if you cannot pay, you will go to prison. So for someone to tell you you don't need a driving licence in Thailand is totally irresponsible. If I was to tell you you don't need a driving licence, a motorbike licence to ride your bike in America or England, you'd say, it's fucking mad, what's he on about? Why should it be any different in Thailand? You need the licence. If I didn't need a licence, I wouldn't have gone to one. If I didn't need a car licence for Thailand, I wouldn't have one. Please don't tell people you do not need a licence. You need a licence. The consequences are horrendous, financially or even in prison. I'm sorry to have to put this out. I really am sorry. I don't want to put people to rights. But I do want my subscribers and other people that go on YouTube looking for information that are being told, they're being told bollocks. That's not on. And I hope if I ever told a load of rubbish, that someone would put me right, because then I would know as well. So I'm not jumping on any bandwagons, I'm not having a dig at anyone. You may know who I'm talking about, they'll know who I'm talking about. I don't care who I'm talking about anyone that wants to put out bollocks and wrong information that will get people in trouble. It's not on. I do not want my subscribers to see that and think that, oh, I don't need a driving licence. Come on, you need a driving licence anywhere in the world. Thailand is no different. The only difference is fines are cheap, but consequences are not cheap. Believe me, I've seen it, it's not cheap. Anyway, let's have a look at the exchange rates today. Please don't take this as having a go at anyone. Please don't take this as trying to jump on any sort of bandwagons. I don't need to. I don't need to. It's not what I'm here for. I'm here to put you right and give you the correct information. Not to listen to bollocks and get yourselves in trouble. I'm telling you now. I'll explain him now. I'll keep saying that. The consequences are horrendous. If you have an accident or injure someone, you do not want to be in that position. They are horrendous. Oh, and another one. If you have a licence and you're wearing a crash helmet and the police pull you up and you show it, you are released immediately. You're not fined because I want to fine anyway. I've been pulled loads of times. I show my driving licence, I'm wearing a crash helmet, I'm let go. I've never been fined for anything. That has been correct. Why are they saying, if they want to fine you, they're going to stop you, they're going to fine you anyway? No, they're not. No, they're not. They will be happy that you have everything in order. Please don't talk rubbish on YouTube to subscribers that rely on your information. Anyway, that's all. It's a short one. It's to put people right, and I'm sorry I've had to do it. But to say you do not need a licence, you need a licence. Now we'll look at the exchange rate. See you soon. Bye bye. These are the money exchanges today, the 10th of May 2016 at TT Currency Exchange. Possibly, I believe, the best rates you'll get from the cash offices in Pattaya. Here's the main ones, the main four. Hopefully you can see that okay. They are today's exchange rates.